Today, we're going to create some amazing dinosaurs with Play-Doh. Bright blue, beautiful green, vibrant yellow, rich brown, cheerful orange, and lovely purple. Look at this colorful jar filled with surprises. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, we found a Tyrannosaurus Rex mold. Let's use this one. Which color should we choose for our T-Rex? Blue, green, yellow, brown. Yes, orange is perfect. Rolling out the orange Play-Doh. Now pressing it into the T-Rex mold. Gently removing it, and we've got a fantastic T-Rex shape. Adding an eye. Some stripes on its back. Sharp teeth. Claws on its hands. And claws on its feet. And voila, here's our magnificent T-Rex. Isn't it awesome? Let's see what else is in our jar of surprises. Ah, a Brachiosaurus mold. Which color for our Brachiosaurus? Jumping from blue, hopping to green. Yes, green it is. Rolling out the green Play-Doh. Now pressing it into the Brachiosaurus mold. Carefully removing it. And we have a splendid Brachiosaurus shape. Adding an eye. Some yellow spots on its back. And white lines along its neck and tail. And here's our magnificent Brachiosaurus. Isn't it amazing? Digging deeper into our surprise jar? Here comes a Triceratops mold. Which color should our Triceratops be? Jumping from brown to blue, landing on yellow. Yellow it is. Rolling out the yellow Play-Doh. Now let's press it into the Triceratops mold. Gently removing it. And we've got a fantastic Triceratops shape. adding an eye. A white line on its back for detail. 3 horns on its head. And claws on its feet. And voila, our magnificent Triceratops is ready. Isn't it spectacular? Next up from our surprise jar is the Stegosaurus mold. Choosing the color, jumping from brown to blue. And yes, we picked blue for our Stegosaurus. Rolling out the blue Play-Doh. Now let's press it into the Stegosaurus mold. Carefully removing it. And we've created an awesome Stegosaurus shape. Adding an eye. Placing spike-like Play-Doh on its back. Claws on its feet. And white lines along its back for more detail. And here's our magnificent Stegosaurus. All finished and looking great. If you enjoyed our dinosaur adventure with Play-Doh, don't forget to subscribe for more fun. See you next time.